In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to make Rico animation to dance, and I'll be using Flipaclip for this tutorial. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel and follow this page for more tutorials. Okay, so let me go straight to show you step by step how I did this animation. So when you open up your Flipaclip, then click on that plus icon over there. Then they will then ask you to name your project. So I will just name it Rico Animation Dancing. Okay, then click on done. Then you have to import your background, so click on that background icon over there to import a background. Okay, so I'm going to import this Rico background I designed. Then click on that icon at the top to mark it good. Okay, then you have to set up your frame per second, and also set up your canvas size. So this video is for YouTube, so I'll set it to YouTube 1080p, that is 1920 by 1080 for YouTube videos. Then click on create project. So now we are on the interface of Flipaclip. Then click on that three dots at the top for you to import your Rico character images. So I have already designed the Rico character, so click on add image for you to add the image of the character. Okay, so guys, there is a free app I use to design Rico characters. Okay, so the app is for my students, so if you want to get the app, then I recommend you join my animation class, because that is the benefit you will get for being my student. So you get all the animation apps that you'll be needing for your animation, both phone and laptop. So if you want to join my animation class, then use the link in the description of this video to join my WhatsApp channel and contact me, okay, for my animation class. Then you get all the softwares. Then I'll click on that plus icon. Because of what? Because I'm doing pose to pose animation. So in Flipaclip you do pose to pose animation. Okay, that is how you achieve a dancing movement, and then you fill up the in between, okay, to make it fluid. So this is the second pose that we added. So I created this pose. Now you see that the leg, they are bringing the leg towards the middle. And one key thing I want you to always take note is staging. When staging your character, make sure that they stand in a vertical, like the leg, make the leg to stand at the same position. That is staging. Okay, it is very, very important. Okay, because the dancing needs rhyme, so you have to make the characters to stand on one place. Just be moving other part of it, but that foot, that leg, make it to stand on one ground for the dancing. Okay, so when you do that, it's very, very important, and going to help you a lot to achieve a funny animation. Okay, so you see here in this frame now, the character is kind of squashing the body. So to make the dancing more fun and cartoony, we apply a little squash and stretch to the body movement, especially the stomach. Okay, so we applied a squash and stretch. So guys, if you want to learn more about how to make animation move to your character, how to create Rico character, then I recommend you also join my animation class, okay, for a well detailed tutorial. You know that this one now I'm trying to rush the thing because I don't want the video to be too long, but in the class we will spend more time discuss all these things in details. Okay, so these images that I'm adding now, I'm also going to adjust it and ensure that the legs stand in the same foot. So this frame now is going to be the end frame. You see, the character is already dancing, thinking it. So to avoid stressing ourselves, we are going to apply a looping animation. So when you loop the dancing, it will continue to play smoothly over and over again. And if you have music, you can import your music, but I want the video to be short. Then I will just click on that three dot and then click on make movie, because we are done with the animation and we want to export the video. You see that my Flipaclip is a premium version. They are not showing watermark. So when you join my WhatsApp channel and contact me for my animation class, you get it for free. Then I'm exporting the video now. So guys, so this is the video. You see, so guys, you see you see how the character is dancing. So these are the things you learn when you master animation. Animation is very easy. Creating a character is very easy. Modeling a character in 3D is also easy. What you need is the right information. You need knowledge, and once you have the knowledge, you can create unimaginable things. You can create amazing stuff on animation. So guys, for those that want to join my animation class, you can join my WhatsApp channel now and then contact me for my animation class, and I'll teach you step by step how to create characters and how to animate them. Okay, but those that don't have the money to join, then you can be watching my Rico animation tutorials, the free video I post on YouTube. I post videos on Monday, Wednesday and Friday on this channel, so make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you won't miss my tutorials. And also, if you're on Facebook, you can also follow me on Facebook and on TikTok as well, so to watch my content here, and also YouTube. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like this video, okay, comment, share this video, okay, and if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, then subscribe to this channel